Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. Today we would be solving a few questions on GATE General Aptitude. So the first question is, 500 students are taking one or more courses out of chemistry, physics and mathematics. Registration records indicate course enrollment as follows: Chemistry 329, Physics 186, Mathematics 295, Chemistry and Physics 83, Chemistry and Mathematics 217, and Physics and Mathematics 63. Then how many students are taking all three subjects? So, we all would be accustomed with this formula that N A union B union C is equal to NA plus NB plus NC minus NA intersection B minus NB intersection C minus NA intersection C plus N A intersection B intersection C. Now, let X be the number of students who take all the three subjects. So, let this be represented by X. Therefore, using this equation, this whole equation, and the data which is given in the question, we can say 500 is equal to 329 plus 186 plus 295 minus 83 minus 217 minus 63 minus X. So we get 500 is equal to 447 plus X, or X is equal to 53. Therefore, option D gives us the correct answer. Now this question is fill in the blanks. The sentence is, he was one of my best dash and I felt his loss dash. The correct option for this is option D. That is, he was one of my best friends and I felt his loss keenly. The next question is also fill in the blanks. The question is, or rather the statement is, as the two speakers became increasingly agitated, the debate became dash. Option A lukewarm, option B poetic, option C forgiving, and option D heated. The correct option for this is option D. That is, the debate became heated. The next question is, a right angled cone with base radius 5 cm and height 12 cm, as shown in the figure below, is rolled on the ground keeping the point P fixed until the point Q at the base of the cone as shown touches the ground again. By what angle in radians about P does the cone travel? So, if we consider this diagram, and let L represent the slant height of the cone. So, L square is equal to 5 square plus 12 square, that is 25, plus 144, which is 169. So, L is equal to 13. And the circumference of base circle is equal to length of our QR. So we get 2 pi into small r is equal to capital R into theta, or 2 pi into 5 is equal to 13 theta. And so from here we get theta is equal to 10 pi by 13. Therefore the correct option is option D.